Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I want to show you a super convenient way to make your lunch really tasty. So these are Duke's Mayo packets, and I love Duke's mayonnaise. It's my favorite kind, and I love it because it tastes awesome, and also it has no sugar in it, which is hard to find in mayonnaise. So I love it. Sometimes though, you may bring your lunch or something, but you don't want to put the mayonnaise on your sandwich or whatever because you don't want it to get soggy. So these are a really handy way to pack the mayonnaise with you and be able to put it on right before you enjoy your sandwich. These are also really handy to keep like in your desk or at the office if maybe you share an office with people and you want to be able to have a variety of condiments available if you get lunch out. These are just a really handy way to do that. Also, a really nice solution if you're making a meal for somebody and you're not sure how they like their food and you want to allow them to put on their own toppings. Also a really great idea. So many different options. So these are the perfect little size. They are easy to use and super portable. So I think they're a really great option if you are looking for a way to have your favorite mayonnaise on the go. And that's my point of view.